I've got one of these wide Metro shelves, I think they call them, like chrome looking, and I need to adjust the shelves. These are really painful sometimes because you get your finger stuck in here and other things, and usually when I'm assembling, I'll lay them on their side, assemble the whole thing and put it back up. What I need to do is drop this shelf down, drop this shelf, and put another shelf on the top. When you're putting these clips, they fit together, they interlock a little bit, and you should be able to see it's sort of cone shaped, where when you put these together, the top part is narrower than the bottom part. You want the top part to face upward so that the shelf above it will come down and slide on top of it like it did here. And the bottom is wide enough so that it won't go past the bottom of it. So if you wanted to put it right here, sort of line them up, squeeze them together, and you should feel it click exactly where you want it. They can't fall off easily, so if you bump the shelf, they may fall off. Just pick them up, adjust them where you want them, click it, and then it's also best if when you're putting the shelf on, you try to get the shelf as horizontal as possible. The shelf is angled, it's going to put a lot of binding on this end on the clips, and it makes it harder to get over there on those clips. When you're putting these little clips on these poles, some of the poles like this one, they're numbered 58. So you'd say I want the bottom of the clip above 58, or you count the individual lines as you're going up, space them out. If you're smart, not like me, you'll point all these numbers to the outside so that you can see them more in a 45-degree angle. So here's my plan. I'm gonna get these situated where I think they need to go, just enough to clear these large bottles of water. I've got a 2x6 underneath here and a block and then a little jack. I'm just gonna put a little pressure on this and lift the shelf, and it will mostly balance itself. And I can put these on. This will be up. I'll smack this with a mallet, take these off, and then I can sort of get all four corners down at the same time to line up with their plastic stoppers.